You ask me the question.
Okay, so what product solutions can help companies accelerate time to market?
Well, our customers come to us with a problem where they face challenges in measurement and control, first of all, and as a part of their development cycle, they're looking to condense that timeline as much as possible to reach the market audience as quickly as they can. And so during that qualification test process, where they're looking to gather valuable feedback information on how well their system performs, they can use our products to quickly assemble test situations where wiring and getting expensive and complex data acquisition systems in place is just too costly or it takes too long. So on that front end process, they can greatly condense that time frame by getting the sensors that generally work out of the box and connect up to their systems with a series of industrial protocols that are compatible across many different other pieces of equipment. And they can condense that development time frame. So now that they have gained a familiarity on using the equipment and developing their own systems, they now have an appreciation and understanding of how our systems work, or wireless systems I should say. And now our products or measurement products become a part of their acceptance test procedure. So now when they're in a production mode, and each of their pieces of equipment has to be gone through a series of checks and tests and so on, those test sequences involve measurement and control hardware and systems, and so that familiarity can be leveraged and bring those products out on the assembly line where they need to get those tests set up rapidly, go through qualification or an acceptance test, and then disassemble it and get their products out the door. So it is a series of, again, front-end work that gets the products developed very quickly. Just like a software tool, you want the best CAD system, but we bring that fast, effective measurement control technology to the front-end part. And then in production, they use it again to get each of their pieces of equipment off the assembly line as quick as they can. So now, in terms of having an earth mover that needs to go through a test bay and be instrumented with 40 sensors to measure pressure or temperature, have that equipment go through various modes of operation so they can take snapshots of pressures that fall within an envelope. They would normally have to take 10 hours or so to set all that equipment up, install it, cable it up, do a system checkout, go through the excursions on their equipment, and then ultimately break everything down. Now that could be anywhere from a total setup and breakdown time of 10 hours. Now, if they eliminate the cabling, they eliminate the system checkout on the sensor side, they get the wireless instrumentation in place. It's a rather painless experience. It's one that is condensed on the order of 1 hour, perhaps, out of 10 possibly that they had done before. So that's where we see some pretty effective use of the technology, front end and on the back end.